All right, your selection tool and your direct selection tool. These are your primary tools in Adobe Illustrator. The black arrow and the white arrow. Getting used to them and figuring out what they do is going to make life much easier for you. First off, I recommend remembering the shortcut keys for these. V is your black arrow, A is your white arrow. Now if I hit V, I can click on this shape right here. I can manipulate this, kind of rotate this around. I can shrink this down, stretch this up, right? I can do a lot with this. Now what I can't do is click on individual letters or anchor points here. Now I could double click on this, enter isolation mode. This takes me in the group. This will allow me to move the letters, but I still can't manipulate the anchor points properly. The white arrow, that's what that is for, the direct selection tool, A. If I click on one of these anchor points right here, I can move it. Now notice when you click on it the first time, it's going to give you this, or it's going to start out white, and when you click on it the first time, it's going to light it up whatever color your layer is. So it's going to turn mine blue. I have to select the anchor first, and then I can manipulate the anchor by clicking, holding, and dragging it. This allows me a few different things. I can select specific shapes, like this little counter in the R. I can click on an anchor, and then just delete that counter out. I can take it out of the P's as well. One click and a couple of delete buttons take that out. I can select multiple anchor points at the same time, clicking, holding, and dragging 2 anchor points to manipulate the size of these. If I want to grab even more, let's say I want to make this P shape a little bit wider, I can grab all of these anchor points by clicking on them, or I can, let me lock that real quick, click, hold, and drag over top of these areas to select all the anchor points inside. Notice by dragging that it didn't select this anchor point, this one, or this one, just the rest of them. I can now move this P area all the way around or do something different with it if I want to. I can do the same thing with this R. I could grab this middle point right here and I could drag these 2 anchor points straight up. This gives me a lot more power on what it is exactly I am creating. I can customize every shape using these tools. And these tools are essential to understanding how to move and how to function in Adobe Illustrator. So try them out, test them out, see how they work for you.